don't touch me. Don't touch me. I said I'm tired of this relationship. I can't do this anymore. I'm tired of this relationship. See, my friend, her boyfriend just bought her a new car. My friends are using good phones. I'm tired. Just take a look at the phone I'm using.
Patience.
I can't do this anymore. I can't be patient.
I love you.
I'm tired. I can't do this.
This thing is for better for worse. For better for worse.
Do it.
Please, baby.
Leave me alone. I can't do this anymore.
Please, baby.
God have mercy upon us.
Young nigga, this class is not for you. We are tactical men. Let us take care of this tactical thing. You are besting her. You are suffocating her. Hello, babe. Am I not looking good?
Of course, you're looking good.
This is one of my toys.
Oh my God.
How babe, let me give you a ride.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget
Young man, go and make money. Young man, make money. Make money. Make money. Make money. Young man, make money. Make money, man.
Go away. If not because I don't like black tires. What's not a motor I cannot buy? 4 leg. I don't even like 4 leg. Alright, beautiful ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching that funny video. Please don't forget, especially the ladies, it's not all that silver are gold. Sorry, it's not all that gold are silver.
Thank you very much, Papa Joe, aka
DJ Don Efizi. Zeee.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's be mindful of what we engage in. It is not all that glitters are gold.
It's not all that glitters are gold. It's not all that glitters are gold. It's not all glitters are gold.
It's not all Voltron.
Please don't forget to share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also always try and drop a comment on the comment section. We love you all. Zeee.